All right, this is another package I got from Toreba, playing game in Japan. Another unboxing for all the people on YouTube. They're gonna be jealous of my wings. Oh, hell yeah. All right, well, okay. All right, so this is, I forgot the name. It's called, it's all in Japanese. It's called, dang it, I forgot, but it's some sort of Japanese cartoon character. I want 2 of these, some dog, it's popular, I looked on eBay, forgot. Can you see that? Is it up close, screen? You good? All right, there's one. I know I want 2 of these. Yeah, I got 2. There's 2. Then, this one's one of my favorites, R2-D2. Big giant Star Wars plush. It's kind of compressed in there. It's an easy win, I got lucky. Huh. This is supposed to be a plush. Wow. Well, anyway, it's a big giant Star Wars, the Millennium Falcon from the new one, Han Solo movie. I thought it was a plush. I showed it on. Somebody I know opened one and it was a plush. Mine's soft. Guess you gotta blow it up. Huh. Somebody I know on YouTube, the Crane Couple, another arcade people got one and theirs was a plush. So. Anyway, it's really big. Kind of disappointed with that. Here's my gutetama. Everybody knows this. It's an egg. Actually, it looks smaller than it's supposed to be. It's supposed to be really big. Huh. Well, anyway, these are pretty cool. Expensive. Some with Sanrio store. Everybody likes these for some reason. Here's my second minion from the wedding minions. These are only available in Japan. Pretty cool. I got another one of these for sale. If anybody wants one, hit me up on YouTube. And I got another 2 more. These 2 are my 5 total. Pokemon, they're like an air freshener. It's a USB aerosol there. I can't read this in Japanese, but it says Pocket Monster Sun and Moon. They change color on the side. It has chemical in there, I guess. So I got 5 of these. Well, I have 2 left. I give other ones away. Anyway, that's my, I think this is my 3rd video. All right, enjoy. Go ahead and cut it.